What's up, guys? Welcome back. Time change got us a little dark to start out the morning, but getting hooked up and getting ready to head out to the job today. We'll take you along and see if we can't make something good happen for you. Stay tuned. Alright guys, out here on the project. As you can see, we're getting stuff set up. Where we're at is a pretty cool location. Let's see if I can show you. See if anybody knows where we're at based on this. Can't really see that across the road. That's a bulldozer set up on I-beams. This is M66 here in Michigan. If you guys know where we're at, drop a comment, let me know that you know. But yeah, pretty cool. That bulldozer's been up there since I was a kid. I remember driving by here all the time, always pointing it out. In the wintertime, they always put a Santa Claus in there, so it's kind of cool. But yeah, we'll get back to work. Champ's up there measuring right now. Get everything measured, trailer set up, start running gutter. Go your way. Right there's where it needs to be. Yep. Right there. Perfect. All right, guys, we're getting all finished up here. Champ's lining up that cord, doing a fantastic job at it. But yeah, as you can see, we got everything done. Got some 3x4s on this side because we have that upper level tying in with the driveway on the other side. Didn't really make sense to put a downspout over there. Everything would just kind of freeze up in the winter time. So, but got everything done back here. Pretty straightforward job today. Everything was pretty straight runs. It's been windy, as you can tell, so that kind of put a little bit of damper on things, but we got it finished up. Go make sure everybody's happy, collect the money, get on our way, and see you guys later.